Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to a new special phrase of the day episode from Linguamid. In each episode, I introduce one daily use phrase in both modern standard Arabic and also in Egyptian Arabic. Before I dive into today's phrase, don't forget to check my first comment and enroll for 100% free in my online course Egyptian Arabic 101. It's designed for complete beginner and aims to give you the foundation that you need in order to start learning the Egyptian Arabic dialect. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to this video and subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to share this video if you found it useful.
If we want to say why not in Egyptian is ليه لا. Here ليه is why and لا is not. Okay, لا is not. So why not ليه لا. To say why not in modern standard Arabic, it's different. We say لما لا. Here why is لما instead of ليه, and لا in modern standard Arabic instead of لا in Egyptian. So لما لا. You can see the difference between the Egyptian and the modern standard Arabic here. So usually why not is لما لا in standard Arabic. Repeat it with me. لما لا.
Did you find the phrase easy? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the Egyptian Arabic 101 course. Enrollment in the comment section below.